Hello. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on what to expect, and so you're able to help your child navigate the course a bit better. So if you see right now, I'm going to actually go into guest student mode so you can see what your child sees. Once you're on here, here we go. There are two icons on the navigation bar that are relatively important for the course. One of them is the Dropbox one. So in addition to the duotang that your son or daughter has or the booklets, there is a Dropbox. So the duotangs need to be completed, but they don't need to be submitted until the end of the course. They will be marked and assessed at the end of the course. Throughout the course, though, I do occasionally have students fill out Dropbox activities, which I then give feedback on. So to basically up until to date, there have been 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, 7 technically, because this is just the notes for the quiz, but there's 7 assignments that needed to be completed. These are important because they allow me to give feedback to your child on what their strengths are and where they need a bit of improvement. This is also a great way for me to know how I can better help them and assist them. So I would really appreciate if you could see, once you click on them, there are links to them so you could easily go into them and complete them. They are also in the course content, but these Dropbox assignments need to be submitted. Now, your son or daughter has been emailed personally by me if he or she is missing any one of these. So they will be able to know because they've received an email specifically stating working with exponents, homework assignment has not been submitted. So this is one way to check what needs to be submitted. The other one, so this is the Dropbox, and then this is the quizzes. To date, we've completed 3 quizzes. Again, if they have not completed a quiz, there's 3 quizzes that there's 4. There's 4 quizzes that have been completed. If they have not completed it, please have them do so. This is the way I am assessing how they're progressing in the course to date. So really, once they log on to the course, as I said, there's 2 icons that are of importance. It's the quizzes. You can see the list. It'll show them on their view individually whether they've completed or not. And then the Dropbox assignments, which are the ones that they don't get a full grade. They just get feedback from me. But they are important because this is the feedback that I need in order to assess them going forward in the course. So if you have any other questions or any concerns, you can definitely contact me and I will gladly provide or clarify if needed. Thank you.